Okay, happy Pi Day, everyone. So I want to explain to you what the Jewish tradition teaches us about pi. So there's only one pseudo-reference to pi in the Bible, and it's in 1 Kings chapter 7, verse 23, when it describes the construction of Solomon's temple. And it says in Hebrew, "Vayazet hayam mutzak eser ba'ama, misvato ad svato, agol saviv, v'chamesh ba'ama kumato, v'kav shloshim ba'ama yisov oto saviv." In English, he made the tank of cast metal, 10 cubits across from brim to brim, completely round. It was 5 cubits high, and a line, a kav, of 30 cubits measured around it. All right? So we have a pool of water. And according to the Bible, what was the diameter of the pool? 10 cubits. So what's the radius of the pool? 5 cubits. And according to the Bible, what is the circumference of the pool? 30 cubits. But we all know that circumference should be equal to
2 pi r or pi d.
Pi r or pi d, which we know that pi doesn't equal 3, but pi equals 3.1415, etc. Right? So the circumference of the circle in this case actually shouldn't be 30, but should be 31.415, etc. cubits. So for those of us who believe in the human authorship of the Bible, we can say, all right, the humans that wrote this didn't really know about pi yet. But for the Jewish sages who believe that every word of the Bible is divine and holy, how could it possibly be that the Bible didn't know about pi? So if you actually look a little bit more closely at this verse, this is one of the rare instances in the Bible where you have two versions of the word. You have the Ktiv version, the way it's supposed to be written. In this case, it's written V'kava with an extra hey, but the Masoretic Jewish tradition teaches us we're supposed to read it differently without a hey, V'kav. So a lot of the sages said, oh, well, the hey is kind of a hint that it's approximately 30 cubits. But several hundred years ago, the Vilna Gaon did another more specific calculation using gematria, the numerical value that every Hebrew letter has. So he took the numerical value of the written form of the word, kava, which comes out to 111, 100 plus 6 plus 5, kuf vav he, divided by kuf vav, which is 106, multiplied by 3, which is the biblical approximation of pi, and you get 3.14150, which is very close, but not exactly pi. Another fun fact, if you take bina, the numerical value of bina would be bet equals 2, hey equals 5, yud equals 10, nun equals 50. Add all together and you get 67. Double that and you get 134. Move the digits around, you get 314 divided by 100, 3.14. Now we've come full circle. Happy Pi Day.